Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In this video, I am going to teach how to download and install the IntelliJ IDEA. So here go to the respective website IntelliJ IDEA. Click on that. It goes to the respective website for download. This is the site. So it has enterprise version as well as a community edition. So you are the student, the first time you are going to studying the Java and everything, you have to go along with the free one. Click download. This is for professional. This is for Java professional. So if you want, you can use it the trial as well. So I'm going to go along with the community edition. This is for free. This is completely free. You can see here. They are releasing their two products. So okay, this is the professional one. Here you can develop the advanced thing, everything. Okay, so this is one. So there you are. If you are developing the application for the core Java, this is okay. If you are a beginner, you are using the core Java, it is okay. So you have to go below. So you can click on download button and you will be able to download this one. Accept all. Your download is started. You have to wait until the download completed. Now here the setup is downloaded successfully. You double click on this. Click yes. Next. It is defaultly set the path. We are going to install everything. It will be defaultly set. Click next. Here I am going to click. It's a shortcut. If you want shortcut at your desktop, you can click on this. If you don't want, you just ignore them. You have to click next. Install. So you will be able to see here the show details. Yeah, everything is installed. Okay, so we have to check whether everything is installed or not. This everything is we need it. This is all the jar file in order to install IntelliJ IDEA. That's it. Now here it's installing successfully. Now click this one, run, finish. Now here we have to open up the IntelliJ IDEA. So type IntelliJ IDEA on your search. Here this one here to opening. Click confirm, continue. So here we don't need to run this one. So here I know in visual code import, skip the import. So this is your picture. Very simple. Here you will be able to create the Java project and all. You click on this, you will be able to create the project. Okay, if you are open the project, it automatically took the Java installation directory here. You no need to go and to set the path and all. It automatically take the directory. Here you will be able to see it automatically take the directory. Very simple. Click on this. Here if you want to click the IntelliJ IDEA, here I'm going to first tab, name it as first tab, click create. Now your first tab has been created successfully. You can see simple. It's very simple. I go to the src folder. It's a main. Now we click on the main file. Double click on this. It's a main file. Now this one here. This is the default one. This how we have installed the IntelliJ IDEA and open the Java projects. Thank you for watching.